Hello, my name is Tommy. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Bun. This is the latest JavaScript and TypeScript runtime. It aims to replace Node or Deno and npm, and it comes equipped with a lot of goodies. And it just hit version 1.0, so it's a good time to see what's all the fuss about. Bun is a one-stop shop for running, building, testing, and debugging JavaScript and TypeScript projects. It can replace npm, yarn, Node or Deno. It comes with a bundler, so you don't need Webpack or Rollup. It ships with a Jest-like framework, so you don't need that test framework to be installed to run your test. According to Bun developers, it's faster than Node and Deno in a lot of ways, so it's worth checking out and see how it works. So replacing npm with Bun is just a matter of running Bun install, Bun add instead of npm. Here we are testing at the same time npm, pnpm, and Bun with the TypeScript project, which has over 800 packages. So as you can see, Bun is a lot faster. These tests have been run with hot caches, so we are not depending on the network speed. Uh, it's not only a faster experience, think how much faster and cheaper you can make your pipeline, your CI/CD pipeline, simply by replacing one command, npm with Bun. You can potentially save hours of build time every week. Bun can also replace npx. We can run bunx to run one-shot scripts or create new projects. And we can see that creating a project with Bun also saves a lot of time. So to get started with Bun as a runtime, we create a JavaScript or TypeScript file and simply run it on our machine without a compilation step. And we execute the file with Bun run. We can run Bun with most frameworks by using Bun dash Bun. This replaces Node with Bun as a runtime. For example, let's say I created an Svelte kit project with npm and it's running by default on Node and TypeScript. Let's see what it takes to replace Node with Bun. First, we install the dependency with Bun installed. Now we can remove TypeScript as a dependency, and we can remove the log file because Bun uses its own binary file for logging packages. Now to start the development server, we run dash bun run dev, and this replaces Node with Bun. So check the ecosystem guide to see how Bun integrates with other frameworks like Remix, Next, Vite. There are some caveats with some frameworks, and there are new frameworks that have appeared that take Bun as the focus. So Bun acts as a bundler also. We have the Bun build command that takes a series of files and builds one bundle with all the TypeScript you need to run your application. In order to use Bun as a bundler with Svelte kit, according to the documentation, we need to install the adapter, which is a package. Then we go to the Svelte config, remove the default adapter, and change it with this Bun adapter. And then we run Bun run build that invokes Vite and builds the bundle, and we can start the application with Bun directly from the bundled code. With Bun, we also get a Jest-like testing framework. To use it, first we need to import from the Bun global the keywords we're going to use, like spec or test or describe, and then we can write our test case directly using this syntax. Once we have our test, we run Bun test and we get the results. So without Bun, we would need to install a whole lot of packages. We would need to install, for example, Jest, TS Jest, Type Jest, maybe Babel, maybe some adapter like Babel Jest, and some testing libraries. So we save a lot of work here thanks to Bun having Jest built into the runtime. Bun implements a global namespace called Bun, which brings a lot of features into the runtime. We already seen Bun test for the testing keywords, but we also have a built-in HTTP server, which also supports WebSockets out of the box. We can lazy load files, and Bun SQLite grants access to a built-in SQLite database right in the runtime. Earlier, I said that we can replace Node with Bun as a runtime in most frameworks by using Bun dash dash Bun, or by changing the package.json with changing Node with Bun. One thing to keep in mind, however, is that the current Bun version 1.0 does not yet support all the APIs from Node, and that means that some frameworks will not work with Bun. For example, Remix, Next.js, or Solid Start need Node as a runtime. We can use Bun as a package manager, but not as a runtime yet. We'll need to wait and see if Bun implements these missing APIs in future versions. In the meantime, and to compensate, there's a new generation of frameworks appearing that are centered on Bun. For example, Strict or Elysia.js. There's also Hono, which is a web framework that runs on Cloudflare workers. We can run applications on the edge with this. You can see the list of all Bun related projects at the Awesome Bun repository. So can Bun replace Deno? Can Bun replace Node? I think it's too soon to tell. Replacing Node is a very hard thing to do, but competition never hurt anyone, and we can hope that the Node team takes notice of Bun's popularity and features, and maybe port some of these features or optimizations into Node so everybody wins. I hope you like this video. If you did, please like or subscribe, leave a comment. It helps a lot to grow this channel. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.